The month of Ramadan holds great significance and virtues in Islam. Here are some key points about the virtues of Ramadan and preparing for it. Preparing for Ramadan. 1. Muslims often prepare for Ramadan by seeking forgiveness for their sins and making intentions to improve their spiritual and moral conduct during the holy month. 2. It is recommended to start practicing self-control and moderation in eating, drinking, and other habits before Ramadan begins to ease into the fasting routine. 3. Muslims may also plan to attend special lectures, study circles, or community gatherings to learn more about the significance and teachings of Ramadan. 4. Preparing for Ramadan also involves making practical arrangements, such as planning meals for breaking the fast, iftar, and pre-dawn meals, suhoor, as well as adjusting work and personal schedules to accommodate the fasting and additional prayers. 5. Many Muslims use the time leading up to Ramadan to engage in charitable activities, such as donating to the poor or organizing community events, as a way of purifying their wealth and hearts before the sacred month begins. Virtues of Ramadan. 1. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, making it an obligatory act of worship for Muslims. 2. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, was revealed to Prophet Muhammad during the month of Ramadan, making it a blessed and sacred month. 3. Fasting during Ramadan is believed to foster self-control, discipline, and spiritual purification, as Muslims abstain from eating, drinking, and other indulgences from dawn to dusk. 4. The act of fasting is seen as a means of developing empathy and compassion for the less fortunate, as well as strengthening one's faith and relationship with Allah, God. 5. During Ramadan, Muslims are encouraged to engage in increased acts of worship, such as reading the Quran, performing extra prayers, Taraweeh, and engaging in charitable activities. The virtues of Ramadan and the preparations made for it reflect the spiritual, social, and communal aspects of this important Islamic observance, which aims to bring Muslims closer to Allah and promote values of self-discipline, compassion, and unity.